How to change WhatsApp wallpaper for individual chats on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Click on the chat where you want to change your wallpaper. After you're in the chat, you'll find this kind of screen pop up. In here, click on three dots at the top right corner of your screen, which will open these options. In here, click on More. After you've clicked on More, which is the last option, you will find Chat Theme. Click on Chat Theme in here. After you've clicked on Chat Theme, you'll find different themes. Click on Wallpaper at the bottom. After you've clicked on Wallpaper, you'll find different wallpapers. Select the one you prefer. You can also choose from Gallery. After you've selected from here, you can also swipe to the right or left to change. After you're done, press on tick mark at the top right corner of your screen. After you've done that, click on Set Wallpaper. After you've clicked on Set Wallpaper, you're good to go. This is how to change WhatsApp wallpaper for individual chats on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.